Did you know that some moldy cheeses are made from milk collected during a specific time of the year? For example, the French cheese Reblochon can only be made from milk collected from alpine cows between May and October. During this period, the cows graze on high-altitude meadows, which affects the taste of the milk and consequently the flavor and aroma of the cheese. Hello, I'm Proxima, and in this video we will explore how moldy cheese is made. Before we begin, I want to remind you that every commenter will be featured in the next video. Now get ready, we're starting. This type of cheese belongs to the group of soft cheeses and is known for its soft, creamy taste and aroma. Originally, moldy cheese was produced accidentally when mold started growing on cheese that was stored in caves. Over time, cheesemakers began to use this process to create new types of cheese. The production of moldy cheese starts with the cheese curd, which is made from milk and placed in cheese molds for a few days to mature. Then the cheese is washed with salt water to form a rind on the surface and create a favorable environment for mold growth. Once the rind is formed, the cheese is placed in special chambers where it undergoes a drying process and where mold is applied to the surface of the cheese. The mold used for cheese production is called Penicillium roqueforti or Penicillium camemberti. These types of mold give the cheese its characteristic taste and aroma. After the mold has been applied to the surface of the cheese, it is placed in a ripening chamber, where the temperature and humidity are controlled for several weeks. During this time, the mold continues to grow and develop on the surface of the cheese, creating a soft, creamy texture and a distinctive aroma. When the cheese reaches the desired degree of maturity, it is ready for packaging and sale. Cheeses with mold have different tastes and aromas, depending on the type of mold used and the aging process. Some well-known varieties of moldy cheese include Roquefort, Camembert, Brie, and Stilton. Cheeses with mold are popular among foodies and widely used in cooking. For example, Roquefort cheese is often used as an ingredient in salad dressings, while Camembert and Brie cheeses pair well with crackers and wine. While producing moldy cheese may seem complex, modern technology and knowledge have made this process more accessible for home production. However, to obtain a high-quality product, many factors such as temperature, humidity, and the use of the right mold need to be considered. It is important to note that not all types of mold can be safe for consumption. Some types of mold can be toxic and can lead to serious illnesses. Therefore, when producing moldy cheese, it is important to use only safe and verified types of mold. Overall, producing moldy cheese is a delicate process that requires certain knowledge and experience to obtain a high-quality product. However, thanks to this process, we can enjoy delicious and unique cheese with mold, which occupies a special place in the world of cheesemaking. What surprised you the most about producing moldy cheese? Write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.